Sometimes when we have a wall that we need to climb, or something in our lives that we need to rebuild, it becomes too difficult for us to do it by ourselves. That's why God has created Christian community for us. And we see in Nehemiah chapter 3, the beginning of the fulfillment of a dream that's much larger than Nehemiah, the single man by himself. But God placed a desire for rebuilding in the hearts of those that were around the area. And notice that those that were around were skilled, they were talented in what the vision called for. God has a unique way of placing vision inside of the hearts of those that are there. The book of Psalms says that He gives us the desires of our heart. So whenever you have a vision that seems like it's bigger than you, know that God is going to bring the people around you that you need, as long as you step forth in obedience to do what He says. Nehemiah ended up managing tens of teams, around-the-clock shifts, to accomplish the vision and the mission that God had given him. And he didn't have to do it by himself. The wall was accomplished and built. The vision was accomplished in record time because of the exponential growth and development that happened because of the people that placed by God a desire in their heart to rebuild. So friends, don't worry. If the vision seems too big for you, know that God has placed a desire in those around you to help you build. The vision takes a team, and God's going to bring it to pass for your life. Let's get ready to rebuild the wall around us.